It's so true. It's weird.
Oh my God.
Now, remember what I told you about the test. 72 questions, right? But there are 5 brain shakers somewhere in the test. Okay? So I'm going to give this out. Don't start it until I read the directions.
Can we skip it?
No, you cannot skip it. Now listen up. A grasshopper and a cricket are in a dried up well and are jumping steadily toward the top. They are attempting to escape the well and are always jumping at the same time. The grasshopper begins at 12 feet from the top and jumps 1/3 the remaining distance to the top with each jump. The cricket starts at 8 feet from the top and jumps 1/4 of the remaining distance to the top with each jump. If they jump simultaneously, during which jump, simultaneously means they jump at the same time. During which jump will the grasshopper overtake the cricket? Which means, during which jump will the grasshopper beat the cricket to the top? Will one reach the top first? If so, which one? Okay, so what you're going to do right now is you're going to work on it. Now you can do the work on the side. Okay, are you ready?
No.
No.
Let's pretend this is the test right now. So you did 1 through 10. This is question number 11.
Okay.
Go.
Are you timing us?
I'm timing you. Shh. Now, when 38 seconds goes by, I'm going to let you know. But you keep working. I just want to let you know how time can fly. Take your time. Just trying to show you how time is. You got it too? Huh? Can't do it. Here's a test. It's not going to work. Double check your work. You finished?
Oh, heavy. I can't do it anymore.
The time it took us, right? We took for this one question. This one question. So now look, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so look, 9 times 38 is what? What's 9 times 38? It's 342, right? How many seconds are in a minute? How many times does 60 go in 342? Come on, you guys are geniuses. Let's go. Basically, it took us 6 minutes to do that one. So now, think about it. On a test, you cannot take 6 minutes to do a question. This is a brain shaker. With this one, should we put 6 to 7 minutes into this question? No way! Looking at the picture, we got the grasshopper right here. Okay? We've got the cricket right here. Boom, right? So, break down the distances for the grasshopper. So the grasshopper started at what distance?
12.
12 feet from the top.
He's 12 feet right here, right?
From the top.
What's the next jump he's going to do?
8 feet. Left.
8 feet left. Yeah.
What's the next jump?
4 feet left.
Cool. Is he at the top yet?
No.
No.
What's the next jump?
0 feet left. We're getting to the top.
0 feet. Good. So now he's at the top, right? Alright, here's the cricket, right? What distance did he start?
8, and then he goes 6.
5.
He's at 8 feet. Then he goes what?
6 feet.
Okay.
4.
Okay.
2.
Then 2.
And then he's there.
0.
And then he's there, right?
Yeah.
So who gets to the top first?
Grasshopper.
How many hops?
3. No, 4.
3.
3. The answer is 3. Is that correct? How many people think that's correct? Raise your hand nice and high so I can see. High, 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 high. And they say you guys can't go to Mark Twain. Did it 1, 2, 3. But why is that question not a good question? Because it takes
Too long.
It takes too long.
What do you say that's why we can go to Mark Twain?
No, that's why you can go. Because you guys just figured out. The problem is, remember with the test. The test is designed, okay, to see how many questions you can get right in the shortest amount of time. But if we waste a lot of time on a question like this, let's say we waste 6 minutes on this question. How many other questions could have we answered?
Like,
What's 6 times 2?
4, 6, 8, 12.
You could have did 12 questions for this one question.
What?
What's better, to get this one wrong or all 12 wrong?
That one wrong.
The brain shaker, man. let the brain shaker go, okay? The idea is you want to get 12 right and lose 1. It's 72 questions. Okay, let's say you get 5 wrong, 5 brain shakers wrong, and the rest right, score's going to be higher or lower?
Higher.
Higher, right? But let's say you spend time on 5 brain shakers and you get 70 wrong. No good, okay?
Whoa.
So that's the idea. You got to go and pick them up.
Won't they count more points for brain shaker?
Nah, that's not how it works. They're all counted.
1 point.
I'll ask Ken. When it comes to the test, all 72 questions, they're all worth the same value. The idea is,
1 point.
but the point is, check it out. What you don't want to do is where the brain shakers count is in the time. Because once the test is over, the test is over. You don't want to be on number 50, when they say test is over, and now you just lost 22 questions. Then you're guaranteed to fail. Okay? So, remember, there are five brain shakers planted in there secretly. You have to look out for them. And you'll know it when you get to them because you'll be flying through the test, no problem, and all of a sudden this question has 5 steps. I got to do 5 steps.
Skip it.
Skip it, keep going, come back to it later. Okay? Are we comfortable with that? Okay, now I want you to take out part 1. Let's go. Take out part 1.